Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is kind of this one. It's sort of this one. I really wish I'd made this. I haven't. It's the gorgeous Posies kit. Now, I don't very often bring kits to video. I couldn't not bring this because it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to come to that in a second. So, towards the front of the catalogue. So right at the front of the catalogue, we've got our new in colours on the left-hand side, and we've got our menu, index. That thing. And I look at this quite a lot because that tells me where sweets are. And then we've got some information here, great information about Shelley Gardner, who founded Stampin' Up, and her family, and what you do with stamps and various things. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow of colours there. And then you move into kits. Now, because of the way they're laid out, you could be forgiven for thinking it's an information page like these are and just skip over them and you go, oh, there's my first sweep. And so you've missed them. I can understand that. Simply Citrus kit. This is an all-inclusive kit, so absolutely everything is included in there, including the stamp sets. So you just need glue, really. I don't even know that you need that. You might just need glue, probably just need glue for that. So it's a great one to pick up and take away and go with you. Looking up, that's also an all-inclusive. That one was in the last catalogue. This is new. I haven't broken into mine yet, but can't wait. But this is a good one to put in the post to somebody who's maybe not done crafting before, or once lockdown is lifted and maybe you're going to go away and you just want to take something, go for it. And then over here, we've got Gorgeous Posies, which is this one, and we've got Boho Indigo, which is a product medley. So I'm going to come to this in a second because I'm showcasing it. Boho Indigo is not a kit with instructions to make a thing. It's just everything that's in there for you. The stamps are in there, the dies, the ribbon, the paper, everything. These are just some ideas, but there's loads in there that you can make. We've had these before. I don't remember the one that we had in the last catalogue. In the spring catalogue, the name has fallen out of my head, but it had lemons and oranges and stuff. And then we had the Everything is Rosy one. So this is very much like that. And then you can just buy a refill kit of the consumables. This is the one I want to talk about now, which is Gorgeous Posies. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a separate kit. You don't need the stamp set to go with it, but if you wanted to create exactly everything, then yes, buy the stamp set. You will need inks with it. This is the stamp set. It's divine, and actually I've got projects in mind for just using this stamp set. And obviously you do need ink. So this is slightly more advanced. This is if you've got some stuff at home already, this is perfect. But let me show it to you. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the box. Just beautiful. A lovely keepsake. There's an elastic on there. It's patterned inside, and these are the cards that you make. Let me tip them out. I've made them all. Probably should have filmed them, but actually I make kits up en masse, really. So we've got 4 different cards that you can make, all with the same beautiful, beautiful envelope. So it's Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather and Purple Posy that's featured in here, with a little bit of Blackberry Bliss and some Blushing Bride. So that's one of the cards. Here's another one. Let me get one where I didn't wibble the stamping. Here's a 4th. And then the final one. So I decided to create mine exactly how they were shown in the catalogue. So with the twists of ribbon, with the twists of linen thread, purple, well, I'm going to say Gorgeous Grape linen thread, and all of that. But actually it's really, really simple to get put together. This one's probably the easiest one to show you. You've got your card blank already cut and scored for you. This layer here with all this beautiful gold detailing, and the majority of this background is already there. I stamped my die cut shape. I cut my piece of ribbon, which you can see here. I added poodle loops to this one because I was having issues trying bows like I did on this one. This is a die cut piece, this leaf and that leaf, die cut piece, and that's it, done. It didn't take me very long at all to make. I thoroughly enjoyed it. This one is Highland Heather stamping. This one is Gorgeous Grape, Blackberry Bliss, and then Blushing Bride. You could use any colours that are similar, and you don't need to use the sentiments that I've used, which obviously come from here. And literally, it is just the 4 sentiments I've used. I've not used these at all. I'll use those on another project. But I love it. And there were a few bits left over. So I've got a little bit of the ribbon left. I've got some of the twine that Sorrel decided she was going to play with the other day. Not that many die cut shapes. I think there's probably enough that if you make an error, there are some spares. Oh, actually, no, you know what? There's quite a lot of die cut shapes left over. There's lots left. And then the banners that you use to stamp on. There's a handful of those left as well. So I loved it. This just feels a very elegant one with all this gold foiling. And actually, I'm going to give this to my mum because, you know, we always have lots of birthdays in our family. I mean, I've got 2 brothers. Both of them have got 3 children each. I've got 4 children. There's even 2 great-grandchildren in amongst everything. But I just think this will be great for my mum, that she can, you know, she's got cards ready to send out. But I just thought it was beautiful. And like I said, I don't talk kits very often because I don't buy them, because I don't really make kits. But I couldn't resist this one or the Simply Citrus, which is actually in the beginner's brochure, which I haven't got handy. I would show you that. But Simply Citrus, it's literally everything's there. You probably, like I say, you probably would just need glue to put that one together. And I do have Boho Indigo because I love it. I couldn't resist, but I saw that and I was like, oh, I'm having that. I really am having that. So I wanted to show it to you. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it divine? Do have a bash with it. It's lovely. It really, really is lovely. Very pleased I got it. Very pleased I can gift it to my mum. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.